Hello everybody, my name is Hello. Welcome to this video series where we're solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this episode we're doing problem 231A, which is called team. We have two more level 1 problems left for this series. Let's go ahead and see how we can solve this. So let's go ahead and read through this problem once before we attempt to solve it. One day, three best friends Petya, Vasya and Tonya decided to form a team and take part in programming contests. Participants are usually offered several problems during these programming contests. Long before the start, the friends decided that they will implement a problem if at least two of them are sure about the solution. At least two means greater than or equal to 2. Okay. Otherwise, the friends won't write the problem solution. So, if at least two people know the solution for the problem, they'll do the problem. If not, they'll just leave it. This contest offers n problems to the participants. For each problem, we know which friend is sure about the solution. Okay, we know which friend is sure. Help the friends find out the number of problems for this which they will write a solution, and that is given by problems where at least two friends know the solution. So we are given the number of questions followed by every question, and in every question the first element represents Petya, second represents Vasya, and the third one represents Tonya. From here we are supposed to find out how many questions can this group solve as a whole. Okay, when you look at the first problem right here, you can see that Petya and Vasya can solve it. It's 1 1 and Tonya can't solve it, 0. So this is a problem they can do. In the second case, 1 1 1, that also they can do. In the third case, it's 1 0 0. That means two people can't do this problem. Therefore, that is not possible. That's why the answer is 2. One is here, one is here. In the second case, when you look at it, there are only two problems, 1 0 0 and 0 1 1, Petya, Vasya and Tonya. In the first case, only one can solve it. That means this problem cannot be solved. In the second case, two can solve it. At least two means the problem can be solved. Vasya and Tonya can do it. Therefore, this problem can be solved. Therefore, the answer is 1. That's it. It's a very simple problem. However, we're taking input for this question, that's how it's going to depend. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this value n and we're going to loop that n times. Then we're going to take a list input and assign Petya to be the list of 0th element, Vasya to be the list of first element, and Tonya to be the second element of that list. Then we're going to check the sum of all of this. If this sum is greater than or equal to 2, we will say that yes, this problem can be solved. And we'll maintain something like a problem solved counter, that will be 0. We do +1 to this, and finally in the end we'll go ahead and print this problem. Okay, and that's it. That's the answer for the solution. If you guys can code this, I recommend you to do so. If not, stick around for the code. Right, so let's go ahead and solve this. We can take the input first, which is n, and then let us take for I in range of n. Oh, actually we don't even need the I because we're not going to do anything with that. Let us just take for underscore, and then let's take the problem, that is the answer, to be 0. Okay, then let us go ahead and take a list input. So for every time we're going to take this list particular input, right? So we'll take lst is equal to list of map of int comma input dot rstrip dot split. I hope you're able to understand what we're doing with this line. If you've been following the series, I think you know by this point. Then from here we're going to assign Petya, Vasya and Tonya, right? So the list 0th element will be what? Petya, right? So Petya will be list of 0, then Vasya will be list of 1, then Tonya will be list of 2. Now we'll take the sum of all of these, and we can take something like, say, S, or total. We can take Petya plus Vasya plus Tonya. I hope you're able to understand that 0 means that they can't do the problem, 1 means they can do the problem. That is already mentioned in the question. I don't think that needs much explanation. Then we'll say if this particular total is greater than or equal to 2, in that case, let's go ahead and increase this answer by 1. That means they can solve this particular problem. Okay, then else we just continue. That's it. That's the code we need to write. And if you guys have been following the series for a while, you know that we can replace all of this with another function as well, that is sum of a list. So total can directly be sum of LST instead of doing all of these lines right here. I mean, however you want to do it, you can do so. Then once all of this is completed, we'll just go ahead and print answer. So let me just run this code. You can see both the test cases have passed. Let me go ahead and submit this code as well so that you know this code is legit. And yeah, I mean, it's a very easy solution. We have one more problem left for level 1. And trust me guys, once level 2 starts, things get a little bit more tricky. So as you can see, the solution got accepted. That's it guys. That is this problem. I hope you were able to understand how we are solving this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Again, thank you for watching. Bye.